In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on YouTube. Now, in order for us to get this done, it is very important for us to realize that YouTube is basically an account we created using Google. So to get this done, all we have to do is change our age in Google. So first things first, just go ahead and click your profile right here. Click Google account and you should be redirected to Google. Now that you're here, just head over to personal info. And then you're going to scroll to your birthday right here. So you can go ahead and click that, and then you should be able to see this one. So you can basically change it, the month, the day, and the year. And then you can set this to anyone or only you. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to change this one, say for example, to around that, and then that. Okay, now once I'm done, I'm gonna set this to anyone and then click the save button right here. So I'm just going to confirm that I'm 27 years old, just like so. And yep, your birthday has been updated. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.